Heading out at the state leadership, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has questioned how the MLA's minister currently camping in Delhi to meet the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister will hold any discussion without the state leader. A press meet was held in this regard at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today. Addressing media person, President of MPCC MLA K. Meghachandra questioned the silence of the Chief Minister instead of trying to end the ethnic violence that broke on Manipur. He further asked why the Chief Minister did not go to Delhi with the other state legislature to meet the national leaders to bring a solution to the crisis that has lasted for more than 4 months, and why the state legislature cannot hold a joint meeting with the national leaders instead of meeting them separately by dividing themselves into groups, he asked. Maintaining that Manipur will soon perish if current BJP government retains power in the state, Meghachandra demanded a cabinet meeting be convened at the earliest, take resolution to withdraw Assam Rifles from Manipur and apprise the concerned ministry of the cabinet decision. Merely believing that the state BJP government will withdraw the Assam Rifle from the state will be futile, the MLA contended.
Government should have taken the cabinet decision to withdraw the Assam Rifle from the entire Manipur, and the resolution of the cabinet should be sent to the central government for immediate withdrawal of the Assam Rifle from the entire state of Manipur. So they are not taking any serious action by the state government. That is why the recent incidents, Assam Rifles team killing the innocent peoples in Palen and other places, many incidents have happened in Manipur by the Assam Rifle, but the state government is silently spectator, and there is no any actions against this Assam Rifle. The camping of MLAs and the ministers of this BJP government in Delhi, I think will not be fruitful because they are not very serious. The leader, the chief minister, is not included over there in the camping. So why he abstain from the meeting of different central leaders, including the Prime Minister?